To install Linux on Windows 10, including Ubuntu, Debian, and Kali, we need to first install something called Windows Subsystem for Linux. To do this, run a command prompt as administrator and type wsl-list-online to see the available Linux distributions. In this tutorial, we are going to install the latest version of Ubuntu, so type wsl-install-d Ubuntu. This will download the Ubuntu image, and depending on the speed of your internet connection, the install will begin a few moments later. This will happen in a new command window, as you can see here. You will be prompted to create a username, password, and verify the password that you just typed. And after doing that, you'll be taken to the Ubuntu command prompt as indicated by your new username at computer name right here. From this point forward, to access Ubuntu from Windows, simply open command prompt, type WSL, and you'll be taken back to the Linux terminal. Notice how I am in the C users tfloor directory. You can type ls to see the contents of this directory, and there's our desktop, so let's go there simply by typing cd desktop. Another ls will show us the exact contents of our actual desktop, so we are definitely in the right place. But to prove that to you, let's use the mkdir command to make a directory called hello on the desktop. Just like that, the directory will show up. Let's open it with Windows Explorer, and this time let's use the echo command to make a file called test.txt with the words hello world in it. Similarly, we see this file appear on our desktop, and indeed there is the hello world. Next, let's move this file into the folder that we created with mv test.txt hello, and that file pops right over there. Typing which followed by any command will show you where it is installed on the system. Most commands are installed at /user/bin, and there are quite a lot of them. If you want to learn how to use any of them, you can look at the manual by typing man and then the command name. I also have this video right here which will teach you a handful of the most basic Linux commands that you need to know.